Hello everyone, hope you are having a great day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. My mom used to make a simple chicken curry with coconut milk for us every Sunday when we were little kids. So it is one of my comfort foods and I love that chicken curry and I'm going to show you how to make it today. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 2 thinly sliced onions and saute till the onions are golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 slit green chilies and some curry leaves. Cook for 1 or 2 minutes or until a beautiful aroma of ginger garlic paste fills the room. Now for the spices, we need to add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon garam masala and half a teaspoon black pepper powder. Now add all the spices and saute for 30 seconds on low flame. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are mushy and starts to leave out oil on the sides, add the cleaned chicken and a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything so the masala coats the chicken well. Once the chicken begins leaving out water, pour 1 cup of water. Cover and cook on medium heat for 20 minutes or until the chicken is tender. The chicken is cooked well now. Now to this add in half a cup of coconut milk. Simmer gently for 2 or 3 minutes. Do not boil vigorously after adding coconut milk. Once it starts bubbling up, turn off the flame. That's it, our chicken curry is ready to be served. Serve it with rice or along with any breakfast like idli or dosa. It goes well with almost everything. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.